Guangjxi Yuchai Machinery Company Limited was established in 1951. In 1992, it was reformed to stock enterprise from state-owned enterprise. China Yuchai International Limited was listed on the New York Stock Exchange in 1994. After more than 60 years development, with the annual sales revenues of over 20 billion yuan and an annual output and sales volume of 550,000 units, Yuchai becomes China's largest independent diesel engine manufacturer and the internal combustion engine manufacturing base with the most complete product spectrum in China. Yuchai is getting prominent in the world by advanced technology and efficient product. Headquartered in Yulin, Guangxi Province, we have 7 subsidiaries and production bases in areas such as Fujian, Jiangsu, Anhui, and Shandong, etc. Power will change the world, and heritage will open up the future. Yuchai always devoted ourselves to meeting the public demands for engines through outstanding and leading products, continuously creating the value of our engines and enriching our product lines extensively and vertically. Insisting on independent innovation, Yuchai have built a unique technical innovation system, keeping pace with the high and new power technologies. Yuchai Machinery Engineering Institute has established research bases in Nanning and Yulin, with over 80 engine testbeds, ranking 36th among the 729 state-accredited corporate technical centers and first in the engine industry. Also, we are the only support entity of the National Engineering Laboratory of Internal Combustion Engines. We have established a dozen domestic and overseas product and technology R&D centers in association with renowned research institutes in countries as well as prestigious universities. Geared to global cutting-edge technologies, Yuchai has built a platform centering on 4 core technologies. That is, combustion system, electronic controlled system, machinery development system, and power matching system. Meanwhile, we have possessed the most advanced technologies in China, such as mechanical design and CAE, electronic calibration and system integration, combustion and emission control, etc. Yuchai have over 1,200 researchers, and most of them are doctors, masters, or with senior titles. Some of our core technology experts have experience working for multinational enterprises. The staff devote themselves to engines plan, design, and development, with research achievements breaking the industrial records. The number of patent licensing has been taking the lead in Guangjxi Province for a 7th successive year. Yuchai launched China's first engines up to National 4, National 5, and Euro 6 emission standards, 3 to 5 years ahead of the proposed time when relevant state regulations came into effect, taking the lead in establishing the SCR technical route. For over 2 decades, the emission of carbon dioxide and particulate given off by our engines has been reduced, as a great contribution to environment protection. The YC6K engine series is the achievement of the latest technology in current world, embodying over 30 patents of technical invention. Our project of key technologies and industrialization of energy-conserving and environment-friendly engines won the 2nd National Prize for Progress in Science and Technology. Guided by the marketing philosophy of forging brand by professionalism, creating value by quality service, Yuchai makes product in the strict standard of zero defect, zero tolerance, and creates the Yuchai operation system by practicing lean manufacturing, connecting product and market demand tightly, and highly collaborating. There is the Asia's largest and most advanced manufacturing center. It can provide the most effective machining and production line for assembling and testing, as well as the top control technique for modernized information. Each type of product must undergo strictly bench test, road test, environmental test under extreme circumstances, and user test before being launched. Every engine cannot be sold until going through stringent courses like casting, machining, assembly, hot running in test, and final factory test. No wonder our product will be the priority for users. Yuchai manufactures 10 categories and 27 series of over 2,000 types of engines, with a power of ranging from 75 horsepower to 1,650 horsepower. As the longest product chain, widest range of engine, and the most adaptable production spectrum in this field. With characteristics such as large power, high torque, high reliability, low fuel consumption, low emission, and strong adaptability, as well as diversified markets, Yuchai engines have become a prioritized power for major domestic commercial vehicles, construction machinery, agricultural machinery, marine machinery, etc. It supplies the forceful power for economic development of China and the world. Yuchai has established a perfect marketing service system, formed a service network with the largest scale, smallest service radius, longest warranted mileage, and fastest response time in the domestic industry, and offers domestic and overseas customers satisfactory, fast, and sincere services. As the first choice for the state guest reception vehicle, our machines successfully serve NPC and CPPCC, major state reception, economic and sport events for a long period. We provided over 4,000 vehicles with environment-friendly engines for 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, regarded as golden service, and achieved zero complaints, zero breakdown, when more than 95% of service vehicles equipped with our engines in Asian Games held in Guangzhou. With the core concept of green development and win-win in harmony, Yuchai shares markets, technologies, production achievement, and development opportunities with partners. We enjoy a sustainable collaborative development ahead all-win relationship with our main engine plants, outlets, service stations, and suppliers. Yuchai has forged strategic partnerships with main engine plants, carrying out commercial activities, boosting project direction and process control together, and we have attained professional matching with over 100 main engine plants. Aimed at building the most competitive international lean supply chain, Yuchai intensified technological support and personnel training for suppliers. Both of us emphasize on construction of main parts and components system and coordinate to satisfy the society and users with a new series of green engines that more advanced, more powerful, and of higher emission level. As the pioneer of China's national industry, Yuchai earns social respect by unremitting efforts. On April 12, 2013, Li Keqiang, Premier of the State Council, held the new government's first expert and entrepreneur seminar on economic situation. Yan Ping, Chairman of Guangjxi Yuchai Machinery Group Company Limited, was invited to the seminar and gave a speech. On November 19, 2011, Chairman Jia Lin of the Chinese People's Consultative Conference inspected Yuchai. He encouraged us to conquer more crucial technologies and become the world's top engine manufacturing enterprise. Transcending yesterday's achievement, climbing today's peak. In the future, Yuchai will persist on a way that promote healthy and safe development by up to high standard, high quality, and good reliability. At the same time, we managed to combine rigorous manner of Germany, precise attitude of Japan and American scientific spirit, with the task developing and making engine and main accessories. We will keep breakthrough and make every effort to build a world's most competitive professional engine power supplier. Superior power, Global Yuchai.